Nestled in the heart of Mallorca, a centuries-old tradition continues to thrive. Welcome to the Gordiola Glass Factory, where artistry and heritage are fused together in molten glass. Before we explore the factory floor, let's dive into a bit of history. It all started in 1719, when master craftsmen from the region began using local materials and traditional techniques to create stunning glasswork. Gordiola glass is known for its bold colors, rich blues, deep greens, vibrant reds, all made using mineral oxides added to the molten glass during the process. Each piece is a true work of art, reflecting the beauty of the island itself. We are in the showroom where you can see the final products. The variety of glass pieces is just incredible. Everything from functional tableware to decorative sculptures, all made by hand. This is the beating heart of the factory, the workshop where the magic happens. You can see skilled artisans hard at work, shaping and blowing molten glass straight from the furnace. Glass blowing is an art form that dates back thousands of years. Here at Gordiola, these artisans follow a time-honored process. They gather molten glass from the furnace, carefully blow it into shape, and use tools to sculpt it into something extraordinary. Each piece is handmade, which means no two items are exactly alike. It's this combination of skill, patience, and creativity that makes Gordiola glass so special. One thing that sets Gordiola apart is their commitment to sustainability. A lot of the glass here is made from recycled materials, which not only preserves resources but also gives their products that distinctive, handmade character. By using recycled glass, Gordiola continues a tradition that respects both artistry and the environment. Glassmaking in Mallorca dates back to the Romans, but the Gordiola family revolutionized the craft on the island by combining traditional techniques with international influences, making their glass renowned worldwide. One of the most fascinating parts of the Gordiola Museum is this collection of historic glasswork and the tools that artisans used hundreds of years ago. These pieces come from different periods and places, showing just how much glassmaking has evolved over time. Here, you'll find everything from ancient Roman glass to beautifully intricate pieces from the Middle Ages. Some of these items were traded across the Mediterranean, showing how important Mallorca's glassmaking was to the region's economy and culture. The museum also houses an impressive selection of international glass. This includes pieces from notable glass-producing regions like Venice, Murano, Bohemia, and France, which have significantly influenced Mallorcan glass artistry. These international pieces highlight the exchange of ideas and techniques across Europe, particularly during the Renaissance and later periods, which helped shape Gordiola's own style. In July 2021, the technique of glass blowing was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. The company has been visited by many famous personalities, including Queen Sofia of Spain, Michelle Obama, and Princess Grace of Monaco. One of the most distinguished members of the family in the recent history of the glassworks was Daniel Aldeguer Gordiola, an extremely hard-working man who traveled all over the world for his interest in different glass-making techniques. He opened a glassworks in Tehran, together with traditional glaziers from the Venetian island of Murano. Today, the business still belongs to the Aldeguer family, the children of Daniel Aldeguer Gordiola, who represent the 11th generation of the dynasty. And that's the end of our tour of the Gordiola Glass Museum. We've seen incredible craftsmanship, explored the rich history of Mallorcan glass, and even watched artisans create works of art before our eyes. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or just looking for something unique, Gordiola is a must-visit when you're in Mallorca. If you ever find yourself in Mallorca, I highly recommend you come see it for yourself. Thanks for joining me on this tour. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more adventures, and leave a comment below about your favorite part of the tour. See you on the next journey.